Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a brand new drawing video and the first commission for Rami. He ordered 2 custom drawings and this is the first one and it's a very special drawing. So Rami asks for a Gogeta, Goku and Vegeta Super Saiyan Blue drawing on an A4 size paper with some very dynamic poses. I'm drawing Gogeta with the Kamehameha pose in front, Goku on the left behind Gogeta, also doing the Kamehameha, and on the right we will have Vegeta doing the final flash. I'm also gonna draw huge energy blasts and aura for Goku and Vegeta. So that's an amazing idea, and to draw all of that on an A4 size paper was quite hard because it's a smaller paper size, but let's see how I will do. Make sure to watch the whole video guys, and if you're also interested in custom drawings, check out the commission contact info down below. And now let's enjoy the drawing video and I see you at the end with the final result. Let's go. So guys, last touch and then the first commission for Rami is done, and I think this is a great drawing. It's very powerful, colorful, very dynamic, a lot is going on in this picture, and I think I was able to capture the idea of Rami pretty good in this drawing. I really had some trouble to fit all of that in the smaller paper size, but it turned out really good in the end. The next commission for Rami is going to be on an A3 size paper, so stay tuned for that. Now let me know what you think of this drawing down below in the comments, and if you are also interested in custom drawings, check out the commission contact info down below, and also check out my online shop for my original drawings and prints. The full-time version of this will be online very soon on the real-time channel, so subscribe over there as well, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I see you on the next